We are currently seeing the second wave of cloud adoption, which has been fueled by the challenges that the pandemic has brought to European organizations. And that also means that non-tech savvy or non-cloud savvy organizations are now opening up to the benefits of scalability, flexibility, but also security that cloud services provide. But they don't necessarily have the skills in-house to operate with the self-service model. So they need a lot of educational services from the cloud providers and the cloud providers partners in order to train their own staff on cloud, and also in order to understand what will be the best operating model internally that they need to set up in order to be successful in the cloud.
So a lot of this comes down to communication, collaboration, and integration methodologies. In fact, one of the biggest challenges to application delivery in European organizations is A, the lack of legacy integration, but B, the lack of business stakeholder integration. So this means we still need to fundamentally change the way that we're doing things. And this has to start at the technology domain. So many organizations and successful organizations are identifying value streams. Where are we delivering value into the business? And they're aligning multidisciplinary teams to this. And these multidisciplinary teams sit across many different domains within technology and within the business. One of the most important people within these teams is going to be the product owner. And that product owner has to have a really good understanding of the user base, but also of the technology, so that they can actually spot what needs to be improved.
Yes, there is an aggressive push to the cloud today in the wake of the pandemic, and the focus is on business continuity and resiliency. The next frontier is the exciting one. It's going to be modernizing enterprise applications using cloud-native features such as containers and microservices architecture. So the next applications or the next workloads that will move to the cloud will be the structured database workloads, the content applications, the production business applications, in many cases, high-performance computing workloads and analytics workloads. I think by the end of 2021, at least a third of these major production workloads will start leveraging cloud-native features and containers and microservices to just deliver business value in the immediate run.
I think the European initiatives for more independent cloud services, for example, as promoted by the Gaia-X project, are very interesting, and they have created a great momentum in the European market and have rallied a lot of IT and cloud service providers to join the work groups and to help define the standards and the technology architectures and also the use cases for this technology or framework. I believe that we have only seen the first wave of cloud adoption so far. And the second wave of cloud adoption are all the organizations who haven't moved their critical data into the cloud yet because they have data sovereignty and data privacy concerns, or they are concerned about complying with GDPR if they're using cloud services, or how their data is going to be treated under the US Cloud Act, for example. And initiatives like Gaia-X, for example, or other federated cloud initiatives in Europe can really help to give European organizations the confidence that is necessary for them to adopt cloud at a large scale.